And the race is on. Fierce and fiery. From the outside is Restless Heart. Down on the inside, Terrible Marvin, Lexibon, go, Snake, go. And Midnight Meat. Fierce and fiery. Restless Heart. Lexibon down on the inside, Terrible Marvin, Midnight Meat rushing up from the outside, and go, Snake go, is running at the tail of the field. Passing the half-mile post, Fierce and fiery, Terrible Marvin in the middle. Alongside is Midnight Meat, Lexibon down on the inside is Restless Heart. Rounding the far turn, Fierce and fiery, Lexibon, Terrible Marvin, Midnight Meat is on the outside, and Restless Heart down on the inside as they race the final corner. Fierce and fiery by ahead, Lexibon, and Midnight Meat on the farther outside, and Terrible Marvin down on the inside, Restless Heart. Fierce and fiery, Lexibon, Midnight Meat is on the outside, and down on the inside, Restless Heart. Fierce and fiery, Lexibon on the outside, but still Fierce and fiery, Lexibon, and finally it's going to be close. Fierce and fiery, Lexibon, Midnight Meat, Restless Heart, Terrible Marvin, and go, Snake go.